Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks closed mixed on this slow Tuesday. The Russell led the action on Wall Street, gaining 0.2%. The Nasdaq closed just over the flat line. The S&P slid underneath it. The Dow shed 0.33%. Energy was far and away our biggest winning sector today, rallying by almost 3% by the close. Tech tacked on 0.4%. On the flip side of that, consumer staples and utilities each shed more than 1%. As we turn to stock stories now, ahead of next week's earnings, several of the big banks took a hit after HSBC downgraded members of the group. It lowered Bank of America to hold from buy and Goldman Sachs and JPMorgan Chase to reduce from hold. The firm says that share valuations are, quote, increasingly stretched and sees downside risks due to unclear macro picture with potentially slowing economic growth. Goldman, JPMorgan, and Bank of America have each rallied in a range between 35 to 50% since hitting April lows. And Meta Platforms made another big hire for its superintelligence group. The company will add Ruming Pang to the team, who previously worked as a lead for Apple's AI and machine learning foundation model team. He'll join talent from companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, among others. Shares of Meta have rallied 23% so far in 2025. And CoreWeave selling action continued today after several analysts downgraded the stock. Mizuho, Stifel, and H.C. Wainwright all mentioned the company's acquisition of CORZ and their short-term issues being behind the bearish sentiment. Mizuho added the deal does bring financial flexibility to, quote, an already powerful partnership, but worried about CoreWeave's high volatility moving forward. CoreWeave is still up about 350% since its March IPO. Tomorrow, we'll get the Fed's minutes from last month's meeting. On the economic calendar, we'll be watching for data on mortgage applications and the 10-year note auction. That'll do it for The Wrap today. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.